Is it true that...
O dikta?
Yes, sir.
Yun ang
They were just
drug lord.
shot this morning, sir. And
Patay?
yes, sir. Is it true that they were supposed to surrender and go to Krame to give a matrix for those people involved in drugs, sir?
That is not my problem. He is wanted and is the #1 drug lord. Talagang drug lord ito. And I just was informed early this morning that yung Udikta couple, mag-asawa patay. Sa pantalan ata inabutan. Wow. So, I cannot say anything. Good or bad, wala ako kasi yan ang pinili niya eh. He was corrupting everybody. Lahat, pati yung mga governors. May isang gobernador dito sa Visayas na I named him before. Kung you do not believe me, go to Cebu and try to get a time to talk to him. Wala kang pati ang salita niya umiikot sa he's already dysfunctional. Yang Udikta was really being hunted sa Iloilo. Siya yan ay #1. Inabot talaga siya ng malas.